Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm going to be checking out a freight train line near Tokyo that runs straight through a quiet residential neighborhood. We are here at Shitte Station because this is where the freight line branches off and starts cutting through the area. This station is known to sound like the S word, and on top of that, the kanji for this station is quite funny. The first kanji is butt, and the second kanji is hand. The third one is station. So this is the ass hand station. Oh well, just when I said that, I think this is a freight train. That is kind of a bummer because these trains doesn't come that often. Okay. Well, let's go find the tracks and hopefully we can see a train pass by. The Shitte Short Line is a freight-only connector near Kawasaki in Kanagawa Prefecture. It is just 0.9 kilometers long. It branches off the Nambu Line right after Shitte Station and merges into the Shin-Tsurumi Signal Yard. It provides a direct route for freight trains heading towards major hubs like Tokyo Freight Terminal and Kawasaki Freight Station. Without this link, freight trains would have to detour through crowded passenger lines or take less direct routes. This is the crossing I wanted to look at. Oh, this one's going really slow. But yeah, so this is the track that the freight train uses. And can you believe that the freight train goes through this area? It's kind of hard to believe because it's just houses around. On Google Maps, you know how it usually says the name of the line? Yeah, so this one says Nambu Line, but this one doesn't have like a name. I try to look for it, but it doesn't say like the name of the line. In Japanese, it's called Shitte Tanrakusen or something like that, which translates to Shitte Short Train Tracks. Also, at this point, the railroad crossing for the Nambu Line and the freight trains are separated. So that means the only time this railroad crossing would ring or close is when a freight train passes by. I said this earlier in the video, but the problem about this is that I don't know when the train is gonna come. We saw one pass by earlier in the video, so there's a chance I have to wait for a while. On top of that, it is a Saturday, and I heard that freight train can be less busy during the weekends. I'm just gonna show you the time right now, and I'm gonna show you the time again when this railroad crossing starts ringing. Wait, what the heck? What is that doing here? That's the train they use for the Tsurumi line. That's interesting. Okay, another sign we might be able to tell a train's coming soon is if these traffic lights or these train lights start, turning green. Oh, it's a not in service train. Okay. The name of this railroad crossing is called Saigonji Crossing. I don't know if it'll pop up on Google Maps, so I'm just gonna put a pin around this place and just put in the description. Okay, a frustrating thing about this is that I hear the railroad crossing on that side and I'm like, oh shit, is it coming? But I was like, oh, it's on that side. I don't know if this is a sign. Oh, it changed to a green light. Wait, it's ringing on this side. Oh, it's coming. It's a matter of time before this crossing ring. Oh, let's go. It is 2:40 right now, so I waited 13 minutes, which isn't too bad. But I don't know which side's coming from too. Oh no, well, it started ringing on the right side first. Oh, there it is. The EF210. It was on the shorter side. I thought it would be longer. I don't think it was even like 10 cars. Okay, so this is another railroad crossing. We were just at that one. Okay, here's the railroad crossing. The one after I just went to. I noticed that I can't read this kanji, these first two kanji. That's the name of this area though. It says Daiyong Fumikiri. The one I went to was Daigo. So there's probably 3 more railroad crossings. So we are here at the 3rd railroad crossing. And I think I'm just gonna wait over here for the next freight train to come, because if I go to the one next to it, it's going to look less like a residential area. I think it will be more of a vibe if I filmed it over here, because you can still see, you know, houses and apartments around. Oh wait, I think the railroad crossing, oh, it's closing. So it's coming from this side. So this one should be ranging soon. Oh, let's go. And this time I want to make sure I film at a better angle. Oh crap, gotta be careful. Okay. Oh, what, are they? It's just you? Oh no, that was so anticlimactic. It was a single lonely freight train. I don't know how to feel about that. I felt so deceived or just betrayed. Okay, so we are here. Oh, it doesn't say Daini. It's a different name. From here, it's going to leave the residential area and run alongside or next to or close to the Shona-Shinjuku line. Okay, so the freight train line should have curved this way towards here, somewhere nearby here. We should be able to see it once we turn left. Okay, so this is interesting. So this is the train tracks for the Shona-Shinjuku line and other JR lines, and over here below it is where the freight train line is. Yeah, it says Shitte Tanraksen, and over there seems to have way more tracks now. So there's a chance that this is the last railroad crossing for this short line. Or how do I? Okay, I think I have to cross the road over here. Okay, we are here at Ogurakosenkyo. Okay, this is cool. So I think these 2 tracks are for like Shona Shinjuku line and the other JR passenger line. And these 3 tracks are probably for the freight train. It's cool how they have like this big road in between. And I think these tracks on the curving left, that's the tracks from the Shitte Tanraksen, Shitte Short Line. Oh, that's cool. Oh wait, that's not a cargo train. That's a Sottetsen. Okay, there's no fences here, so we have a better view of the trains here. Maybe we can see another freight train coming from that side. Let's go. This one is really long. Like the tracks are like in an S shape. We just saw the head of the train again. Alright, so I'm gonna be heading back to Shitte Station and we'll be filming another video. And this involves the Tsurumi Line again. This will be the last video about the Tsurumi Line I'll make for a while. The reason why I'm making this video is because there's one more station I haven't explored yet. So I thought today will be a good chance to do so. Once that video is out, you can check it out over here. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.